Today we're going to do an unboxing of a beautiful new fountain pen. This is the Aurora Trilobiti Limited Edition collection that just came in. Aurora always has great packaging and they always provide plenty of information. You right away get this quick snippet about the company, and you've got your black wood lacquered box with great hinges. It's really solid. And then you've got your little Aurora tag there. We're going to take a quick look at the pen before we go through the rest of the packaging. The Aurora Trilobiti collection does have a transparent resin cap and barrel, and it's paired with this brown satin trim that you see there on the center ring and the pin clip, as well as the other pin parts. I really like it when they go all out in making the trim, all the metal components coordinate, and they did that here. They've got the brown PVD treatment for the 18 karat gold nib. The cap is threaded and it does post. This is a better look at the 18 karat gold nib there for you. Let's take a look at the piston filler, because this is a piston filling fountain pen, and I love that this is actually a lot of the demonstrators, they're demonstrators, but this is a very crystal clear resin, so you can really see that piston filler working. It's a great looking demonstrator pen and a great quality Italian made Aurora. And let's go ahead now and take a look at what comes with your pen. So this is the packaging. I already mentioned the really nice box. It also comes with a full-size bottle of ink, and you've got all of your additional information about the pen, how to use it, care and maintenance, your warranty information, everything you might need to know about using or having this Aurora limited edition fountain pen, you'll find under that false bottom in your pamphlet there from Aurora. If you want more information, visit penschley.com.